What up, everybody? In this video, I got some really exciting news. Um, I previously mentioned in other videos that I was struggling to get a save function and whatnot going for the game or whatever because I couldn't um, figure out how to call it from the dictionaries. Well, I came across some methods and whatever, and now my save system actually works. So we'll start off by showing, see, we're level 1 and all our stats. I have to go back and re-add the max hit points and everything, so the hit points won't change, but everything else like the level and my experience points and everything like that is going to indeed change. So I pressed N and I started a new game, as you could see, and everything is here. And my battle, I am see, so I'm going down. My health is changing. His health is changing. So I'm gonna end it at now, as you can see, my character is level 2 and his experience points is 75, and all of his strength and everything changed along. Oh, his hit points did indeed change. That's good. Um, so now that we can see that it's there, I'm going to exit out of this. I'm going to hit my save button, which is S, and now we're going to close this out. The enemy is going to reappear because I don't have any of that into the save function yet, and I will get to the save function at the end of the video. If you like and subscribe, I will show you how that all works or how I got it to work because it's kind of interesting. It's not in a way that other people have on YouTube that I've seen. It is a completely different way I've never ran into. So, super excited that I kind of stumbled across it in my research. So, now let's jump back into it. And now we can continue by pressing L. And like I said, the monster and everything comes back. We will fix that. But if we go to our character screen, as you can see, the level is still 2, but our hit points is 100. Once again, I that is what I need to change. But as you see, still level 2. I still have my experience points, which is super exciting. I will put everything else that needs to be saved in there. Um, Coming up in maybe a later video, or I might just do that off screen and show you the results. I haven't decided yet, but let's jump into the code and show you how I managed to accomplish this. So there's these great things. I guess if anybody knows or doesn't know, they're called magic methods or dunder methods. It is the same as your init to initialize the class. Um, but this one is called get state. And this get state, um, since I put it into the parent class that all my other classes pull from, that stats points, now all my classes will have these functions, which is get state and set state. My get state is how it saves it. So it pulls, it knows that this dictionary from the self level and everything like that, these are what I want to save. Um, I could actually, let's go ahead and actually do that in this video because I don't think it is going to take that long. We're just going to go max HP. Um, I think this is the only place I had to do it. So where is it? Self dot max HP. So, okay, maybe I don't want to do that right now, but that is what I need to do to get my max HP to update on my stat screen. Um, we'll go ahead and try it. I'm not sure. We got to do it with mana too, though. Um, but it's working with my current experience points, so I'm not 100% sure what's all going on with that. But anyway, so this is how I got it to work, is this dunder method under all of our class that just gets the state when I call it. So now And then my load state is the set state. So after I load it, it sets everything back from this data, which is going to be my save game. It loads all that data and re-puts it in, and then I can continue to go. And I have tested it. It does continue to go up and up and up. I can change it again like I wanted to after I load it. So as you can see, I am hit points level 2. My experience points is 75. We'll do one last battle just to show you it does deed and continue. See, so now my character is level 3, and my experience points and everything is continuing to go up. Um, so, uh, and it's just so exciting that I figured out how to roll this around. See, even if we go back to a new game, which is C, everything starts back at level 1. And then once again, we load it and it goes back to our level 2. We forgot to save. So totally went back to level 3. But I did manage finally to get my save and load function working, which is super exciting. And it's just this class right here. So saving the game, I just tell it the path I need to go to what folder and file. And then I have my variable as safe, and then it opens that, and then it dumps all the information in there. And then when I load it, it opens that file back up, and then it loads all that information in there. And in this game, under my code, I have, see, if my key is pressed to L, it will set the state to whatever is in that save file. Later, we can probably get save 1, 2, 3 in multiple games, but I just kind of figured out and stumbled across how to even get this working. So in the next video, hopefully I will have all of this, like more than just me. I'll have my skeleton, my key, all my collectibles, everything I wanted, all the values that I want to save and reload are going to be under here and then be loaded back. So this game will now become a continual actual RPG. You can grind, you can level up, I can introduce my money and everything like that. So I just wanted to get this video out because that was super exciting figuring out this magic method, because this is the I haven't had through my research on YouTube and everything like that, nobody said anything about this way. Um, that way I it's just very, very good. I don't got to worry about breaking it all out like I did on my failed version this way, which that Dunder method makes it 10 times simpler. I don't have to go through and type this out for everybody. I don't got to go through. All I have to do is have it in my parent class, and then all of my classes now have this ability to save, and I just got to tell it what parameter or what I want to save. So my skeleton's hit points, I can tell it just to save the skeleton's hit points and the key collection and etc. So I was excited to get that figured out. I just wanted to share it with everybody. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.